objected about the Sharif by the establishment of wherever it is. It's none of our business. We are here to say some words for his maghfirah from Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala, for being a human. And number two, which I would definitely say, he been oppressed. Yes. He been victim of oppressed. He was been zulm. And what a beautiful chapter, zulm pe zulm hai padta hai to mit jata hai. May Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala forgive him and give him place in best in Jannah. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. La ilaha illallah wal halimul kareem. Subhanallahi rabbil arshil azim. Walhamdulillahi rabbil alameen. As'aluka mujibati rahmatika wa rahmika wa ghanimata min kulli birrin wa salama min kulli ismin la tad'ali dhanban illa ghafarta wa la hamman illa farajta wa la hajata yariddan illa qadaita ya arhamar rahimin. Allahumma ighfir li lil mu'minina wal mu'minat wal muslimina wal muslimat. La ilaha illa anta subhanaka inni kuntu minaz zalimin. لا إله إلا أنت سبحانك إني كنت من الظالمين. اللهم أجرني من النار. اللهم أجرني من النار. اللهم أجرني من النار. لا إله إلا أنت سبحانك إني كنت من الظالمين. اللهم اغفر لي هينا ميتنا وشاهدنا وغائبنا وصغيرنا وكبيرنا ذكرنا أنسانا. اللهم من أحييته ومن أحيي الإسلام ومن توفيته منا فتوفى الإيمان. Ya Arhamar Ya Awwal Awwalin. Ya Allah, we are all here asking you to forgive our Sharif and everybody who's passed away. Ya Allah, have mercy on them. Ya Allah, give them best place in Jannah. Amen. Ya Allah, you give the Sabr Jameel to their entire family. Ya Allah, he been a victim of oppressed for the reason he raised the voice. It doesn't mean that somebody raised the voice and if it doesn't fit in the optics what we see and we just do the zulm. Ya Allah, you accept his effort and give him best place in Jannah. Amen. Ya Allah, his voice was for the Pakistan, for the people of Pakistan. Ya Allah, let this voice be a mean for the change for the Pakistan. Amen. Ya Allah, the people of Pakistan be depriving for the last many years. And this is the point, kind of no return. Ya Allah, give the people of Pakistan this understanding to stand on their foot for the progress of Pakistan. Amen. And Ya Allah, all of us, we are sitting here, we represent Pakistan. We are ambassadors of Pakistan. You take something good from us, which we can really represent Pakistan and we can serve the community when we're sitting here. Subhana rabbika rabbil izzati amma yasifun wa salamun alhamdulillah.